Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys the highlighters that I have in my collection. It's not very many, but I wanted you guys to see what I have. Maybe they work for you, maybe they don't work for you. I know some, even some that I have don't work for me and I don't use all the time. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start with a highlighting palette that I have. And honestly, the only reason I got it was because of the packaging. I love packaging. Like, that gets me when I am purchasing something. Like, if the packaging is cool, I'm there. I want it. So this palette is the Kat Von D holographic palette, the face and eye highlighting palette. So it's this one. It is pretty cool. I love this packaging. I know she came out with these individually. I think. I could be wrong. So aren't these cool? This is so cool. I love these. I love these, but I don't use them. So it's that kind of deal. I just love how it looks. Honestly, I do use it sometimes in my eyelid or when I'm doing my makeup or something. But I do use this. This is one of them. As you can tell, it's not very used. So, who knows? I might have to donate it to a friend or somebody. Alright, so the next palette is, I'm sorry, not the palette, but the highlighter is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost and shade Eclipse. And this is with the collaboration with MANNY. So here, that's that. As you can see, I haven't used it very much. I've used this part of it. I use it very much. I actually just dropped it, trying to get it to in here for filming. So I dropped it and it won't click in. That broke. But I got that with the 2 liquid lipsticks that you might have seen in my lipstick video. So check that out. Also, okay, so the next highlighter I have, and this is from Jeffree Cosmetics, the Summer Chrome Collection. This was 2017 Summer Collection, I think. And I have both of them, which is the Skin Frost Crystal Ball and Summer Snow Cone. Here we go. Summer Snow Cone. Okay. So I rarely use these. See? They're rarely used. I used this one when I went out once for my eyelid. The shimmer for the eyelid. And then this one, Crystal Ball. So this is very white, as you can tell. I have not used this one at all. I don't think so. No, this is a brand new one. Yeah, I haven't used this. I've probably swatched it, but I haven't used it. I also have, which is not in here, it's in my makeup bag. It is the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive. I think that one's part of my favorites in my favorites video. Go ahead and check that one out. You'll see it, it's all busted. Like, you can't even see through it because like it fell and it just cracked. All of it cracked. So it is busted, but that is my ultimate favorite highlight and I do recommend it. And I did check online and you know, I think it's like $35, so it's not an affordable highlighter, but it's also not super expensive. So I would check that one out. It's really good for like if you have the same kind of skin tone. It works for a subtle highlight. I actually have it on. I don't know if you can tell because I don't like the shining highlights, but that is all of my highlighters. I'm not like a highlighting junkie is what they call it. The highlighters are amazing. I love how girls use them. They're just everything. They're like the cherry on top. But as you can see, I'm not that girl, but I do have a few highlighters and I enjoy them. And once in a while I do use a different highlighter, or use one of these like unconventional highlighters. But that's all I have for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Also, I am doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. And thank you for all your support, and I love you all. Bye.